Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, we're featuring cauliflower. Joining me in the kitchen today is Dr. Jennifer Janko and Chef Adam Delosso, who will be showing us how to make healthy meals your whole family will enjoy. What are we making today?
Cauliflower couscous.
Ooh.
It's very, very easy.
Okay.
You can do it at home. The only piece of equipment you need is a Cuisinart.
Okay.
Or a food processor. We first start out with a head of cauliflower.
Okay.
And you're gonna just take off the stem, just put all these directly right into here. And it's really easy. All you have to do is just puree this.
This is a fabulous tip. I mean, anybody can do this.
And a great way to get vegetables into a meal.
So you just dump this out.
Okay.
All I'm gonna take is a little bit of red onion, red peppers, and some carrots, and just saute them really, really lightly. It's very quick.
And very colorful.
You know, I think balance is really the key. I think a lot of parents struggle saying that their child will only eat, the chicken nuggets and french fries. And I
Right.
think we can really shape that child's palate by introducing these foods early on.
You take a little bit of salt when you're sauteing.
Okay.
And a little bit of pepper. The cauliflower.
Oh, this looks so fun.
And this is so easy.
So we're gonna take
Gorgeous.
just a little bit of mint, golden raisins that
Nice.
are dehydrated. I'm gonna turn this off. It's already cooked. Extra virgin olive oil.
Oh, delicious.
Finish it with a little bit of seasoning.
Delicious.
It's just exactly like couscous.
It looks exactly like couscous.
Very fresh.
But the blend of colors, I think, would be really inviting for a child.
Yes, it's a rainbow in a bowl. Beautiful.
There are some candied pumpkin seeds.
Okay.
It'll add a little bit more texture. It'll add a little bit more flavor.
Crunch. I
This
love
looks
that.
amazing.
So how else do you get kids to eat cauliflower? Meatballs. So we actually took some ground turkey, cauliflower that is lightly blanched, and then we have some cheddar cheese. The first thing you actually have to do when you're making meatballs is to make something called a panade. But first you're gonna start with a little bit of chopped diced onions, a little bit of sliced garlic instead of chopped garlic.
Ooh,
Okay.
I took brioche breadcrumbs and diced it up, just 4 slices of brioche. We're gonna put this into a bowl.
So if you have celiac disease or gluten allergies, you can always use gluten-free bread.
Yep.
You want to use whole wheat bread to add a little bit more fiber to your meatballs.
That's correct. Then we're gonna soak that in a little bit of milk. As it's sauteing,
Okay.
it's really important to season as you're sauteing it. Just dump this right over top.
Okay.
You're just gonna mash it up a little bit with your spoon or your hands.
Mashes very easily.
Then we're gonna take the cauliflower,
Okay.
dump this right into the panade. The grated cheese, dump that right in there. And we're gonna take the turkey meat. We're gonna dump that right into there.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna mix this right up. So we're just
Okay.
gonna take a little spoonful. We're gonna try and make a little ball.
And cauliflower is also full of fiber.
Yes, and so some children, depending on what they're eating or not eating, may have issues with bowel movements and regularity. And so trying to sneak things into their diet that are rich in fiber has a lot of benefits for that.
I actually have some already finished that
Okay.
I sauteed, I put in the oven. I actually made 2 different sauces that I tested on my kids.
Oh, fantastic.
So my daughter really likes a sriracha sour cream. My son doesn't like things hot.
Right.
So he just wants sour cream. So you could try either or.
These look delicious. They were so easy to make. Let's try the meatballs. And I'm going to try it with this sauce.
I'm doing the sriracha.
Me too.
Well, they might be a little hot.
Perfect.
Clever
All right.
idea.
Let's try the couscous. There you
Okay. Also very good. Really has more
That's
of a
delicious.
flavor of, like you said, like a rice or a couscous.
Thank you,
you.
Chef. Thank you, Doctor.
My pleasure. Can't wait to try these.